guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are unboxing with my package.
Yung package from Shopee ay dumating na. Kaya ito tayo, mag-unbox na naman ulit tayo. Mag-unbox na naman ulit. Balik naman tayo sa unboxing. Wow, it's a big package. Ano kaya naman ito? Wow, are you excited?
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo? Okay, let's excited na si EJ. Ito yung mga toys na binili ko from Shopee sales. Open na natin kasi excited na si EJ. Before we start, hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please click on the subscribe button at i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod namin na mga videos. Oo nga pala, ito yung isa namin costume for today, yung costume na may scar. Para kami mga agent. Agent EJ and Agent Papo. Hi, Agent EJ. Are you okay? Okay, Agent EJ. Let's open the package. First, get the scissor. Let's start to open the package. Whoa! What is this? Wow! Isa-isahin natin na kuha muna tayo ng isa. Then open natin. One by one.
What's that? Wow. Okay, where do we start?
Okay, EJ, ito yung ating first toy. How do you read?
It's a domino funny train.
It's a domino funny train. Ito yung toy na it's a train na nag-move at automatic nagpi-place ng mga domino. Okay, let's try to open this one. Okay, EJ, you open this one. Ito si EJ. Wow! Okay, open the toy. Ito yung train.
It's the domino.
Ito yung train. Wow. Choo-choo train. Wow. Ganda. Transparent yung kuha niya. Transparent yung body niya. You can see the gears inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's the gears. There are gears. Okay, let's try to. Oh, it's battery operated. Okay, let's try to get the battery. Mama, get the battery. Araw, nasa kilid na. Okay, open na natin. Get the battery. And put the battery inside. Okay, EJ, ikaw mag-insert ng mga dominoes. Papo will insert the batteries. Gumagamit siya ng dalawang AA batteries. Close sila. Turn on. Wow! Wow! This yan. Nag-move yung mga gears. Wow! Look at this. Okay guys, nagawa na namin yung mga dominoes. Pinasok na namin sa loob ng cartridge. Ito na yung itsura niya. Okay, then you insert this on our train.
It's so cool.
Oh,
Train.
automatic yan siya maglalagay ng mga dominoes.
Okay, try to put it.
We try to put it. Baliktad siya. Ay, ganyan. Ito na siya guys, oh. Wow! Ano masasabi mo, EJ, sa toy?
I like it. So cool. Let's try.
Yes, automatic na siya mag-place ng mga dominoes.
Okay, let's place.
You like this toy?
Yeah.
We'll try to test run the toy. Patuyok, EJ. Yan, wow!
Let's try. 3, 2, 1.
Wow! More. Wala na. Wow, ang ganda ng toy ni EJ. Meron siyang music also. Meron siya, at makontrol mo yung direction niya. Meron siyang nata-turn yung wheels para gusto mo na curve yung kuan niya. Gusto mo siya nang maging curve yung okay guys, i-test na naman natin. Kasi ikaw yung pumunta ko. Ikaw EJ para Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Start the train. Silang go. Next direction na punta. Sige na. Next direction. Go. Start. Go. Wow. Wow, galing yung toy. You like this toy, Jay?
Yeah,
Why you like this toy?
it's so cool.
Why?
I like it.
Why?
Because it's gonna help you to make a domino like
What else? It's so easy to make dominoes.
this.
Oh, kaya automatic na. Same time, enjoy pa ka. May train ka pa. Meron ka pang dominoes. Yeah, 2 in 1. Wow! Okay, Gigi, are you ready for the next toy?
Yes.
Okay, try na naman natin open ulit ng isa pang toy.
How about-
Wow! What is this?
It's an Iron Man.
It's a Iron Man dancing. Right.
It's a dancing hero.
It's a dancing hero. Dancing hero, Iron Man. Wow.
Oh, like Iron Man.
Wow. Meron siyang show meron siyang lights at nag-dance. Okay, let's try to open. We go open it. Wow. Sa blue Iron Man. Wow. Hello. Wow, sa blue Iron Man.
Let's see how.
Blue.
Let's
Oh,
put
at least got the super
battery.
cute Iron Man. Wow. Okay, saan natin ilagay yung battery?
What is?
Go, easy. Put the battery na. Wow. Oh, look at that. Let's try na. Excited na si EJ. Wow. Let's dance. Oh. Let's dance. Paano kaya man? Keyboard. Keyboard tayo. Dance, DJ, go! Ang galing ng toy na ito guys kasi dami siyang mga music Tapos meron pa mga iba't ibang dance steps. Very entertaining talaga yung Iron Man toy. Anong masasabi mo, EJ?
It's so cool.
Why?
I like it, God. We can dance.
Oh, ganda ng quality guys. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Movable yung mga arms niya. Yung feet. Galing. Check natin kung ano pa mga modes dito. Meron siyang parang light mode on. Naka standby lang siya pero
What's the
yung
light
mga
mode on?
meron siyang mga lights. You can turn on the lights kahit walang music. Pwede mo siya i-display kahit saan. May lights. Meron din magla-light up yung kanyang yung reactor niya, magla-light up still and magla-light up niyo din yung mata niya. Wow, ang galing. Yet the last toy. Wow, yung last toy ni EJ ay ang off-road trucks. So, it's off-road truck. 4x4 drive. Ayun, tanggal na. Wow. Ito yung last toy na binili ko para kay EJ, yung 4x4 truck toy. Friction shock, friction toy. Like this. Okay, EJ, ano magsabi mo sa toy? Okay guys, yung first toy is yung Domino Train toy. Ito yung price ng Domino Train toy. Ipapabak ko na lang sa screen. Okay, next yung Iron Man dancing toy. Ito yung price ng Iron Man dancing toy. Ding! Monster Truck 4x4 Monster Truck toy. Wow, sa tatlong toy na ito, EJ, which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is this one.
Yung favorite ni EJ is yung pinaka-favorite niya is yung Domino Train toy. At yung sa akin naman ito kasi you can dance with the toy. Ang galing ng toy na ito kasi marami mga features. Wow. You can dance. Dance. Yun na guys, na tapos na natin i-unbox yung mga toys natin. Yung pinaka-favorite ni Jay is yung train toy na domino, na may domino. At ang pinaka-favorite ko naman is yung Iron Man dancing toy.
And how about this one?
It's also good, Jay. Okay, so yun nga guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming mga video. Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
maraming salamat.
See you on my next vlog. Bye.
Bye!